More than a few people can feel ovulation, an egg being released from the ovary. In German, they have a term for this. It's called Mittelschmerz, which means middle pain because it happens in the middle of the cycle, around day 14. Let's discuss what you're seeing here. This silver thing is just an instrument. All of this white tissue in the background is the actual ovarian surface. And I toned this down for TikTok, but this is actually the follicular cyst. In reality, this is a very large red swollen structure. And as you can see, it is vascularized, meaning when it ruptures and lets this egg cell out, there can actually be a bit of bleeding, which shows up as spotting. And this right here is actually the wound that is left on the ovarian surface after ovulation. But wound is a bit of a misnomer because it actually goes on to become the corpus luteum. This produces progesterone and is responsible for the luteal phase. Something I can tell you with certainty is that everything we just talked about is bigger than you think it is. For instance, did you know that human egg cells are actually visible with the naked eye? They are about 0.2 millimeters across, and this is a little cluster of them. And follicular cysts come in a range of sizes, but the average is right around 1 inch. And that luteal cyst, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches, it can actually get bigger than the ovary. And if you're wondering what happens to that, if there's no pregnancy, it actually begins degrading and scars down into something called the corpus albicans, which you're seeing right there. It's a good time to mention the secret classroom where you can see unfiltered stuff. Find it by going there, and then going there. It's free to sign up.